Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate Hey Google on Xreal Beam Pro. To activate Hey Google, go to Google app, then click on your profile icon in top right corner, Settings, Google Assistant, Hey Google and Voice Match, and now when you enable Hey Google, you'll need to click on I agree, then I agree again, and you'll need to repeat 4 phrases. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And then click on next. And now whenever you say Hey Google, Google Assistant will show up, so you can, for example, say Hey Google, what's the weather in Kraków?
It's 57 and cloudy. Today it'll be cloudy with a high of 60 and a low of 44.
And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.